Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh, your voiceover coach. Today's tip from VoiceOver Extra is 3 ways to get to know your audience. Appeal to your audience to ensure your marketing success. Even if you think you understand your target audience, your actual audience may be quite different. If you truly do understand your audience, then your marketing will appeal directly to them. Use this 3-way technique to assure them that your content is engaging. 1. Analytics. These are tools you can run on various social media platforms to get to know your audience. Some detailed programs allow you to learn about the demographics, age, gender, location of your visitors, but even information on how they were directed to your page, how long they spent there, and whether or not their visit converted to a sale. This is extremely useful information. 2. Surveys. Once you've built up a loyal following, consider conducting a survey. A survey is a great way to collect data on your audience. You can choose to receive feedback on the site, understand who they are, and what they look for when it comes to VoiceOver. Collect this information to drive your future marketing. 3. Engage. Social media is all about building networks. Respond to those who engage with your post. It's an easy way to make them feel heard and appreciated, while also being able to collect vital information regarding their interest in you. Social media presence is all about engaging with your audience. It's a difficult task when you don't know who they are. Spend some time defining your audience, and soon you'll see the benefits of knowing your audience. This is Joe Lesh, your voiceover coach. There's a subscribe button on my YouTube channel. It should be right about there. Be sure to click it. And join me for Mojo Friday, the first and third Friday of each month here at VoiceOver Extra. It's time to get your mojo working.